Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th chapter number 5, basics of algorithm and flowchart. Hello kids, how do you sharpen your pencil? Let us look at the simple example on the steps to sharpen a pencil with sharpener. Step 1, take the pencil and the sharpener from the pencil box. Step 2, place the pencil inside the sharpener and sharpen it. If the pencil is sharp, go to the step 4, else go to step 2. Clean the sharpener. Replace the sharpener in the box. In the same way to solve problem in a computer, we need to understand the problem. Gather into apply proper method accordingly to obtain the desired result. Algorithm algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to be followed to solve any problem. Features of a good algorithm is it is written using simple English statement. Each step in an algorithm should have a step number. The step should be written in the sequential manner. Now here the steps. Algorithm to prepare glass of milk. Take the milk from a refrigerator. Pour the required milk in a vessel. Light up your gas stove. Allow the milk to boil. From the boil of sugar, take a teaspoon of sugar and put it in the glass. Pour the boiled milk into the glass. Stir well. Milk is ready to drink. Now algorithm to find sum and product of two numbers. Start the executions. Input first number A, input second number B. Find the sum of two numbers A plus B. Find the product of two numbers A multiply B. Print sum and product. Stop the executions. Now algorithm to find the largest and any two numbers. Step start the executions. Input two numbers A and B. Check whether A bigger than B. If true, go to step 4, else go to step 5. Print A is greater and go to the step 6. Print B is the greater. Then stop. Now the flowchart and its symbols. A flowchart is a pictorial or diagrammatic representation of an algorithm used in solving a particular problem. Flowchart can be drawn using different symbols by means of boxes and flow lines connected them, and they are helpful in understanding the logic of the problem. And here the symbols and the symbol name and the purpose and the actions. First is terminator and its purpose is start stop box, and the action is it is used at the beginning and the ending of the flowchart. Second one is parallelogram, and it is the purpose input output box, and action is it is used for taking input and printing output. Now rectangle process box, it is used to write processing instructions and calculations. Then diamond decision conditions box, it is used for checking conditions. Arrows flow line, they indicate the direction and flow of the program by connecting the boxes. Then circle connector, it is used in connecting part of flow chart. Now basic rules for drawing a flowchart. Flowchart should be simple and clear. The flow procedure should be from top to bottom and left to right. Flow lines should not cross one another. Only one flow line should enter the decision box, but 2 or 3 flow lines can come out of the decision box. And the examples of flow charts. Find the area of square and adding any two numbers. First start input side, then area is equal to side Put the multiplication sign and then side. Then print area and the stop. Then start, input A, input B, then sum is equal to A plus B, print sum and the stop. Here the classify an animal as a herbivore, plant eating, and the carnivore, flesh eating. Start, read the name of the animal. Does it eat only plants? See, it's no, then it's print carnivorous. If yes, then print herbivorous. Then stop. Then algorithms and the flowcharts in program development. We have learned to write algorithm and draw flowchart for problems. These are the basic tools for developing a program. A program is a set of instructions written in a programming language for the computer to understand and execute them. These tools are used by the programmer. Steps to develop a program: understand the problem, write the algorithm for the program in sequence manner, develop the flow chart from the algorithm, then use a programming language to write program and the algorithm and the flowchart. Enter the program into the computer, then test the program, run the program with the input data, obtain the result for the program. Now the chapter is completed. Now come to the exercise. First, the step in algorithm should be written in dash manner, sequential manner, and the spelling sequential. Then second, dash help in understanding the logic of the problem is flowchart. flowchart chart. Dash should not cross one another in flowchart. Flow line. flow line line. Dash are written based on algorithm and the flowchart is program. program. Now true false. The word algorithm is combination of Latin and Greek word true. Flowchart can be drawn using step numbers. False. Flow line should not cross one another. True. Algorithm help in program development. True. Now here the match the columns and just look it and do it. Now the choose the correct answer. This method makes us to understand the logic of the problem flowchart. How many flow lines should we enter? The decision box is 1. One of the following is used to connecting parts of the flowchart is flow line. Now come to the question answer. First is define an algorithm is on page number 42. Come to the page number 42 and here is the answer. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to follow to solve any problem is your answer number 1. Now the 2, what is the flowchart is also on page number 42. A flowchart is a pictorial and diagrammatic representation and the algorithm us in solving a particular program. Now the third one, state any 2 basic rules for drawing a flowchart is on page number 40. Here flowchart should be simple and clear and flowchart procedure should be from top to bottom and the left to right. Now the fourth one, write the step to develop a program is on page number 41. Here step to develop program is are understand the problem, write the algorithm for the problem in the sequence manner, develop and draw flowchart for algorithm, using a program language to write the program from algorithm and the flowchart, enter program to the computer, test the program, run the program with input data, obtain the result for the program. So here we have completed the question answers and the question number B you have to do in your copy. here in your activity corner. So here you have to identify the symbol name of the flowchart and they have given you the clue also, and this is your homework A also and the B1. Identify the error in the flowchart and redraw. So here in this chart they have some errors, so you have to redraw this chart over here. Both is your homework and this work you have to do in your textbook only. Thank you.